Okay, so I just got my Arduino working. This is my old Cyberknex motor setup. They weren't working before, but I fixed it. Turns out it was just old and broken, like it just kind of shorted out on the end. And I don't know, I haven't used them in years, and I cleaned out the board, and these little push buttons actually work, but I don't have the little rubber thing. Anyway. The motors are working, and what I did is I found a pinout for the pins that are on the front of this board, and this red one here is the ground. It goes to the ground on the Arduino, and this green one is going into pin 3 on the Arduino. And according to the pinouts on some website, you put power to whichever of these pins. There's 4 of them, so 4 pins plus ground. So one of the pins makes one motor go forward, another pin makes that motor go backward, and then the same thing with the other motor. So it takes 4 pins. I only hooked up one. I hooked up to this pin 3, and okay, look, you can kind of see it. And this is my very simple little sketch that I borrowed from somebody who was powering an LED, but instead I hooked up a motor. And so what it does is it uses pulse width modulation to give it 3.3 volts instead of 5. That's because the people I found online with the pinouts were only giving these things 3 volts, and I didn't want to burn it up or anything. Anyway, so the board's programmed, and all the board does, because the program is very simple, is when it gets power, it runs the program. So plug the Arduino Uno into my USB port, turns on, and the motor starts going.